Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cynthia. If you're new here, kindly consider to subscribe, and if you're returning, thank you very much. So today I'm going to share on how to prepare homemade sweet and sour chili sauce. So with me here I have my sesame seeds, I have my chili sauce, I have my honey, I have my white vinegar, and I have my chopped garlic, I have chopped pepper, and in the bowl I have cornstarch. So let's get started. On a separate bowl, I'll go ahead and add my honey. That is a good amount of it. Then I'll go in and also add my chili, a good amount of it, but that depends on your preference as well. Then I'll also go in and add my white vinegar. That is like a tablespoon of it. Then mix the ingredients together just to ensure that they're all incorporated. After which, I will go ahead and add a tablespoon of my cornstarch, and I'll mix the 4 ingredients together. So just ensure that you mix them together and you don't have lumps in your mixture. Then add some water to it and mix them as well. Having achieved the desired consistency, I'll just set it aside. Then I'll proceed to start cooking. On my hot oil, I will add my chili together with the garlic and fry them together. With this, I'll give it like 2 minutes as I keep stirring until it is the garlic is well cooked. Then I'll go in and start adding my sesame seeds. I will stir it until they become golden brown. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. It is now golden brown. I'll just go ahead and start adding my mixture to it, and by this I'll keep adding bit by bit and as a stir. So by stirring, it helps in thickening the sauce and also to prevent it from getting stuck on your pan. So I'll just go ahead and serve it in this bowl. Look at that, guys. So here goes my final outcome of homemade sweet and sour chili sauce, and indeed it is sweet and sour at the same time. So with this, you can either serve it with some french fries, fish fingers, or either chicken, or anything of your choice. So that's it for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.